Hi, welcome back to the another video. Before proceeding for a video, I do recommend you to read the comment to know more about the upcoming videos on various opportunity and to never miss any updates. Please subscribe to our channels and hit the bell icon so you will never miss any update. In this video, I will be talking about the ICGB Smart Fellowship Program, that is Scientific Mobility for Advanced Research Training Fellowship Program. You can also check out for many other ICT fellowship by clicking on ICGP website and scrolling down and click on the fellowship. Coming to the Smart Fellowship, to know more about the Smart Fellowship, you scroll down this the page and then click on the Smart Fellowship program to know more about this. This is a short-term training program. Fellowship are awarded to the PhD holder, PhD student, and MSc pass out student, which provide an additional training opportunity for young scientists, especially scientist, tailor-made researcher, and budding researcher to promote the mobility of research among ICGB member state and to promote the South cooperation in research. Over the year, this fellowship program has proved the particular beneficial for both fellow and host supervisor. In this video, I will be talking about the key points of this application guideline for this smart fellowship, and also will share my personal observation on various topics which previously have been awarded. As To make this video more interactive, I have highlighted key points in this application guideline. As you can see, this application is open twice in a year. The last date here you can see the last date of the application. Now coming to the purpose of this fellowship. This fellowship program is to promote the mobility of researcher between ICGB member state and also to enhance the skills and acquire the specific hands-on training to in technology available in the receiving laboratory and increase the bilateral cooperation in science and technology. Applicants should focus how this fellowship will help in their career and how their proposal will be helpful for the host laboratory and also to their host country. The application area is open for the life science students and mostly open for the all related topics related to the basic sciences, fundamental biology, human health, biomedicine, industrial and agricultural biotechnology, and environmental biotechnology. Till now date, more than 28 fellowship have been awarded. Out of them, 7 at a pre-doctoral level and 11 at a postdoctoral level. Based on my observation, previous fellowships have been awarded to relevant topic, relevant subject. In health science, the project related to the redox biology and disease biology, antimicrobial resistance, and development of diagnosis techniques. In industrial biotechnology, project related to the production of variable products using biological entities, and in plant biotechnology and agriculture biology, project have been awarded on photosynthetic system, algal biology, plant stress biology, and disease resistance, crop development. And in molecular biology, there are many projects have been awarded on chromosomal biology and the cellular biology related to the translational research. Now coming to the eligibility, this application is open for two nation of ICGB state member states, which there are three major ICGB member states are Italy, India, and South Africa. If you are working in this country, if you are a nationality of in this country, then you are open to apply for this fellowship program. There is no age limitation. However, the preference will be given to the young scientists at the beginning of their research career, and the applicant should be either a registered PhD student or who have obtained their PhD within a last 5 year, and young scientists holding a master degree can also apply for this fellowship program. During this fellowship, you can also be part of courses, workshop, and symposium ongoing to the fellowship awarding post university ICGB university. Now coming to the terms and benefits, this award will be awarded for minimum 3 months and maximum 9 months. The award will covers all international economical uh, travel returns, health insurance, plus also uh, other substantial facility. The stipend range from 800 to 1,500 US dollar per month according to the local condition and the seniority of the applicant. Additionally, 500 US dollar bench fee will be directly allocated to the ICGP fellow committee. So, thus, ICGP Smart Fellow immediately free from the administrative overhead cost. And this fellowship, this stipend will be directly bank transferred to the fellow account. To know more about the bench fees, read this uh, piece of information carefully. The major criteria for getting selected for this fellowship is include your excellence in the field of interest, also your scientific excellence of project, which will be part of your application form, and a candidate scientific CV, which should include all their publications, achievements, and their previous research experience. And the major requirement to get selected for this fellowship is the competency or skill and equipment available at the receiving level. Thus, please choose carefully the host institute for your relative project. The selection committee also look at the project proposal to see the impact of this project to the national benefit and to the host institute. Download the application form. Please click here, and you will have a doc file of application form which you have to fill by the in date of the application, and email this fully filled application form to the following email IDs. Once you have uploaded, you will get a confirmation mail from the ICGV Fellowship Unit from this mail ID. Please allow for 15 days for notification as the verification of document takes some time. Remember that there is only one application per call is accepted for the each candidate. I do recommend you to read this My Smart Experience voucher, which include the various details of previous fellowship winners and their project. I wish you all the best for this fellowship. For more upcoming video on scholarship, workshop, training program, and many more things, please check out the comment and subscribe to our channel and keep coming back to our channel. If you have any query, please put down in comment section, and do share this video to others so they also get benefited by getting the up-to-date news on various opportunity, resources, tools, and training programs. Thank you for watching this video.